Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to set daily spending limits on your Lendingclub debit card to help you manage your money securely. First step is to open the Lendingclub app. So start by logging into your Lendingclub mobile app on your mobile device. Next is to navigate to card controls. From the dashboard, you're going to select your debit card and then tap card controls or manage card. Next is to set a daily spending limit. Here you can enter a maximum dollar amount that can be spent on your card within 24 hours. This applies to in-store purchases, online transactions, and even ATM withdrawals. Next is to customize your control. Some users prefer separate limits, one for purchases and one for cash withdrawals. You can adjust these based on your comfort and spending habits. Next is to save and apply changes. Now, once you confirm, the new limit takes effect immediately. Any transactions above your set amount will be declined automatically. Final point is the benefits of spending limits. First, it helps to prevent overspending. It also protects you if your card details are stolen. And of course, it gives you more control over daily cash flow. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. You just learned how to set daily spending limits to keep your Lendingclub debit card safe and budget friendly. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video if you like the video, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you guys in the next one.